Totoo ba na ang Gen Z daw ay the fastest aging generation?
Somebody recently told me that they thought I was 36 years old. And I'm not.
I am Gen Z and nobody ever believes me. When my mom and I walk out in public, people think that my mom is my younger sister.
Gen Z is aging badly.
Oh yeah, they look old. Yeah.
People from Gen Z, sila yung mga taong pinanganak from 1995 to 2010. They are engaged sa makabagong technology, independent, open-minded, at aware sa mga nangyayari sa lipunan. So alam naman natin na aging is normal, pero marami nagsasabi na mas mukha daw matatanda ang Gen Z kaysa sa mga millennials.
Somebody please explain to me why this generation of 30 to 40-year-olds look like they're in their 20s and the 20-year-olds look like they're in their early 40s.
Ayon sa pag-aaral ng American Psychology Association, ang depression rates daw ng Gen Z ay tumaas up to 63%. Ito ay marahil sa pressure and expectation dahil sa nakikita nila sa social media. Siguro ito yung reason why they are maturing fast. Kasi depression, stress, and other mental health make the person looks matured. Papansin ko lang maraming mga Gen Z ang sobrang babad sa social media ngayon. Kaka-scroll up nila sa mga social media, pati ang problema ng iba, pinoproblema na nila. Isa pa nakakatanda sa kanila, yung lagi silang naka-makeup. Alam mo yung panahon namin nakikita ko lang yung mga friends kong babae naka-makeup kapag may okasyon. Pero ito napapansin ko lang yung mga Gen Z ngayon, paglalabas ng bahay para bumili lang ng suka, naka-makeup pa. Yung akala mo pupunta ng debu, Pero hindi naman sa pagiging bias, pero para sa akin, yung generation namin yung pinaka-unique sa lahat. Pinanganak kami before the cellphone, internet, and technology took over. Naranasan namin kung paano makipagkaibigan at makisalamuha sa mga tao na walang cellphone, walang internet, at naranasan din namin kung paano magkaroon ng kaibigan through technologies. We saw it all. TV, radio, Nokia, Nintendo, CDs, tape, iPhone, Samsung. We saw everything. Kami yung generation na naniniwala noon na you have to work hard. Pero ngayon, we also know how to work smart. So we understand both sides dahil sa aming generation.